Okay, hello guys for those watching the rediffusion. So we are still short, same as yesterday, this one. Actually I might close it a bit earlier, so this is my plan for today. Same as yesterday, it's just that we like didn't move, but I still want to see the same thing. Maybe I can add the VWAP, another VWAP, sorry, let's remove that one. The weekly VWAP. So yeah, I would like to see this level retested, and if we hold, why not taking an edge long? And if we see weakness, then we just wait for another, for the full take profit, sorry. And I don't know why I can't open multiple charts on Market Monkey. I don't know if you guys have the same issue. But first, instead of talking, I need to share everything on Discord and X, so we are more. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome guys. Yo Marco. Okay, just let me share this again. Or is it YouTube? I might also take trades on the copy trading. Let's see the channel. We are 777 subscribers. That's cool. Welcome guys to the stream. Up. Okay, there we go. So what do you guys see now? For now, it's still same thing, huh? Not much to do. Oh, interesting to see CVD futures increasing while spot is selling. And also the funding rates increasing. I would like to see another run at highs actually. Or maybe a retest here to chase the longs, and then why not going up? Yo, Yet. The short sold is not deleted, brother. It's still here, look. Up. Where is it? It's here, sorry, in the calls. Swing shouldered soul. And that's the one. That's it. Is weak dollar not good for BTC? For now, CPI, wind sheets, inflation still increasing, and I think market just chopped into FOMC, basically. So yeah, still holding short. Yo, Zexity, how are you? Still holding short BTC setup. Yeah. This basically risk 2%, risk 2%. By the way, guys, again, All trades are are public. I mean, they are public here. I'm not lying. Oh, on X account. On X accounts, I don't think I posted it. Or if I posted it, it was a notification for the stream with the stream link, and I might have taken it out. But the setup was valid till I closed it break-even. And you can see here, Sol was closed, okay, around break-even, okay. My risk was 2% on that position, so that was not a huge size. Like 310 Solana for 330k account is not a lot. So yeah, you guys can see here, and I'm still in the BTC short. So yeah. And actually, I would like to either add some more at 115k, okay, around here, around this POC and this value area high, okay, which is also those levels, or maybe edging some around here. So let me show you the levels so you guys understand. Daily TPO. So yeah, basically I would like maybe to go edge around Monday high and weekly VWAP here, okay, around those levels. We also have like a fair value gap right here, okay, so that's interesting. That's a level where I would like to see a reaction. I'm finding you, ZXCT. Yo Axolo. Yo Rio. So yeah, but basically that's the setup. It's still an entry. I mean, I got someone telling me, yeah, the price was here at 114k 300, and he was like, oh, what about your BT short? You got liquidated, bro? Like, I was not even down 0.2 R on that position, and we're risking 2%. Like, it's funny because lots of people on X, they are commenting some stupid like things about risk management. Like, when you take a wrong trade, like I think this person is long, and if I'm short and I'm in a little loss, or even if I take my stop loss, they were like, oh, you got liquidated, nah. But bro, like, it's just a loss. And now you guys know that we have the fucking 100k to 1 million copy trading challenge that is public, okay, that's public. There's also this account that is public, 200k account that is like every trade I take, when it's closed, it appears here. I can't lie, guys. Can't lie. It's, and even the open position I put them. I really want to be as much as transparent as I can. You plan on going back to the Sol short? Maybe, but not now. I will wait for higher on BTC, honestly, if it comes. I don't want to be exposed on the too short actually. Make a video on prop firm. Yeah, why not in the future? So regarding Sol, see, that was the old trade like that, but maybe here could be a nice one, but I don't know. I would like to wait. We also have like that. Maybe here, like around 230s, could be nice. But it really depends on BTC. And we have, are you currently shorting BTC? Yes, Yudoka. I mean, they short. Risking 2%, okay, with a stop loss at 116k 700, and a take profit at 105k, okay. So if we go here, I make 6% of my account. If we go here, I lose 2% of my account. Yeah, that's it. Not willing to to become rich in one trade. It's just another trade in the account. And if you guys watch the video about risk management that I posted Monday or Tuesday, I think Monday. No, it was Tuesday actually. The goal is to make 5 to 10% a month. If you make 10% a month on your account, in 1 year, if you make it every month, in 1 year you make almost 3x, like 2.8x of your account. And if you make 5% per month on your account, you make around 2x of your account. 5% per month. I'm pretty sure that everyone here is convinced that they can make 5% a month, okay? But you are not making 2x on your account on a year. Why? Because you guys are willing to do 2x on your account in 1 month, 50% of your accounts in a few weeks. That's what I wanted to do, same in the past. And now, whenever you start to understand that you can't make quick money with trading, but it's like an investment account that's instead of making a few transactions on your long-term investment account, you make short-term transactions, your trades, okay? But the goal at the end is to have the same curve at your investment account. But if you don't have risk management and the plan and the right psychology, you will just fail. Like I was failing during 3 years. That's very important. So now let's see, price might be a little bit flat into New York Open actually. We got the CPI pump and dump, classic Darth Maul. And now we have the 1 hour Darth Maul classic CPI candle. So basically that's the plan, guys, huh? That's the plan for today. Either we go instantly to 115k and so on, or we retest weekly VWAP and the weekly point of control right here. Could you send the link for that? Easy, guys. coinmarketman.com/verified/white capital. You guys can have it. I think I can share it here. What is your second indicator? What do you mean second indicator? Here on the chart, this one. Here I have the TPO, okay. I have my table orders, so these are standard deviation bands, okay. I really love them. It's private, it's for the mentorship. This is the market cipher, okay. You can have it for free. And this is the Wenger, an indicator also for, only for my student. That's a private indicator that a friend of mine gave me. So yeah, that's private, and that's basically giving you the perp imbalance and the USD premium, and when there are imbalances between spot, perp, and the USD premium. So when you want to go long or short, you want to have conferences with those. We can also see them in my crypto dashboard from PEX. That is basically right here, and also we can see something interesting here on the open is that, yeah, we dumped and perp CVD perp imbalance stopped to be red to be showing weakness, okay, and overextension. We still have spot CVD a bit bearish, but this makes me think we can push a bit higher. So let's see. But we have like the delta on the ask and bids on all the prices are pretty fucked up right now. See, I want to show you guys some things. Just so you guys understand. I have that guy right now, Alan White. Let's go to his replies, okay? I think he's the kind of guy that just replies to everyone. Okay. I posted CPI in 15 minutes. He said, how is your short liquidated? Okay, that's when we were here. So like, shut the fuck up. Then I told, bro didn't watch my last video about risk management. I love you guys, you are funny. He said, I heard you talking on your stream a few days back when you said you set position and don't care how it goes, then BTC price move. Well, he don't speak English, but basically he says that I claim that whenever I take a trade, it goes to stop loss or entry, I don't care. So I can't close position manually before. That's totally wrong. Like, what I was trying to say is that when I take a trade, for example this one, I know that if we go here, I will lose 2%. If we go here, I make 6%. And I'm okay with that. So if the price goes to stop loss, I'm okay with that. And I lost 2%. But if the price, I don't know, goes here, and I see that there is a lot of shorts entering, spot buying, I can't close it here, okay? I'm not being greedy or fearful of my trade, and I'm not executing, doing bad execution. I'm just reacting on what the price gives me. Your plan can change, okay? Like, you can claim here that you are 100% sure that the price will go here. It's at that time, I think that there are more probabilities that we go here first than here. But maybe here, this can change, so you can adapt. That's being a real trader. So what he's saying is completely shit. And then he's doing the sucker. My point is you saying that you set SL and TP and I right either hit one or the other, but then you can't change bias. Nonsense. I wouldn't mind if you don't say something but then act differently, but all is good, bro. It's not 8. I like your analysis a lot. See, he's saying this while he was saying how is your short liquidate. Well, that makes nonsense. So yeah, basically those guys just let's try to pass on them. But sometimes I need to talk about it. For me, 5 PO is a lot. What do you mean 5 PO? It's more important to have strong risk management or good strategy. I only have good management. Well, that's you made the hard job, bro. For me, having a good risk management and a good psychology is like 10 times more important than having the good strategy. There are thousands of good strategy. People trade ICT, they make money, but it's not because they trade ICT. It's because they have a nice strategy with ICT, but they have a good risk management. That's why they make money and that's why they don't lose money. I make money with my trading not because of my perfect strategy, but because I have a good risk management, and my strategy is in confluence with my risk management. Yo, Mikelab top 7. You use all of them in the strategy you use. What do you mean? Yeah, I use all the indicators. But basically, I don't trade based on indicators, but these are confluence when I want to take a trade or no. Like, the more probability you have of something happening in confluence, the better. What do you think about hype? I wouldn't short hype. I will just buy spots on the dips, honestly. Pengu looks ready. Thoughts? I don't trade Pengu, guys. Honestly, I can have a look. Pengu USDT, but I don't trade this kind of. Oh, shit. Pengu. Which one can be the best? Maybe Bitget. Okay. On the daily, well, see, this kind of people will say yes, Adam and Eve, but that's just meme coins. I can't find the third indicator. Which one? Powell already said jobs take priority over inflation, so CPI just allowed to cut, but no 0.5. Yeah, let's see. Hola, Alex. How are you? The Wenger one, yeah, the Wenger one is private, bro. Thanks, Joel Zig. Yeah, starting streams again. It's because you had a scalp shot with stop loss and didn't update on it. Basically this one I didn't took it. Well, I took it on the copy trading. I can show you again. Where is my screen of copy trading? Here. Copy trading. Look. This is the copy trading. Oh, I had a short limit here. Shit. You can see position history. CRV shorted, took profits. Solana shorted, took profit. And BTC also, I took the profits from the short. See, that's this one. I took profits on the shorts. Okay. So yeah. And the copy trading is at this. You guys can see on the leaderboard. If you guys want to join this challenge also, it's here. Okay. It's here. You have my profile. I did some shit, but I restarted here, so we can say about like 30 days ago. And we are now up like 30%, roughly. So that's good. And the goal is to make 10% monthly. We are already at 133k, so yeah. Up. Sorry. Yo, Freygeist, how are you? Yeah, I think maybe that confused some people, but it was for the did you left Chroma? I've never been part of Chroma. I was just here to kind of test. Actually for this, I love this guy, honestly, and very happy to see him again in Singapore. He proposed me to join Chroma, but I prefer to do my thing on my own. I prefer to have my community, to build my brand. So yeah, because if I had to join one group in crypto that is doing these kind of things, it will be Chrome actually. Love the team, I love Follies, I also know Host Bra personally. So yeah, I love those guys, the team is very nice. They have a great organization and stuff. Hello Zach. But I prefer to do those things on my own actually. To have my brand, my, you know, I don't know, I prefer this. So yeah, if you guys have any chart requests, check AVNT, okay, USDT, okay. This, bro, I can't trade this, honestly. Well, Sol is already rejecting a bit. BTC also. I would like to have a retest of that level actually. No, sorry, of that level. Can you give $100 of those 100k? Hello, Andrew. I can't give away money like this, brother. Makes no sense. But I'm actually making a giveaway, guys. I'm actually making a giveaway on YouTube. If you guys want to get 100 USDT, you just have to go to my YouTube channel, to this video, how I became profitable, and make a comment. And I will make the draw next week and pick up one of the comments to win $100. Okay. Also, don't forget to put the like, to subscribe, and to watch the video. So do it after the stream, because it's a nice video. Honestly, that's maybe the most valuable video I did on my YouTube. So you guys might also take time to watch it. Bro. Okay. And someone here said, yeah, basically all scenarios. Basically, yes, but I'm not saying up or down. I'm having levels where I want to see a reaction and trade based on this. You can't come up and say, yes, the price will go down from here, up from here. No, you have multiple levels where you say, okay, I think that there is probability that the price reacts up or down from those levels. You have your levels and then you can trade based off those levels. Okay, so that's just sense, planification, and then you execute here. I make a plan and then I have to execute. So basically what I want is a retest of this multi-week POC or current weekly POC around those levels, weekly VWAP, see some reaction for a possible scalp long. And if I don't see the reaction, I just hold my short, okay? So what I can do here is that I can ride the short down to here and open a scalp long to hedge myself. So basically, if the price goes up, I'm not losing money, I'm not making money. If the price goes down, I'm not making money, I'm not losing money. But I'm giving myself time to see if we bounce or if we lose the level, okay? So basically, what can happen? We go here, I open an edge long. If we bounce, good. I'm not round tripping my shorts because I will be able to close my long here in profit and ride the short down from here. But if we go back here, I'm losing money on my long, but I'm making money on my short, but I'm break even. But if we have a retest here and I have the confluence, I can close my long break even and I could hold my short. That's the same thing as closing your short here, waiting for a reaction and re-entering here. But it's not actually the same thing, because when you have an edge open, you are managing position. When you close the position, you need to take a new position, and mentally and in terms of risk management, that's not the same thing. But in terms of profit you make, it's the same. But mentally and in terms of strategy, it's not the same. And if you guys already made some edge and stuff, you guys know that it's not the same, actually. Trust me. When you're in a drawdown, opening an edge instead of closing and waiting to open it higher is really not the same. So that's another advice I give you. Start to trade with edge. Could you check Ethereum? I will check, brother. Glad you do on your thing. went through the downside in copy, but I still believe in you and your insight. Thanks, brother. When did you join and how much are you down? Because basically the copy is back at all-time highs actually, so you should be in profit or at least break even. Can you do ENA shorts? I'm not shorting ENA, not yet. What do you think about cycle? Well, I'm pretty bullish on stablecoins actually, so yeah. This space only for lone wolf. What do you mean? Ah, yeah, okay. No, not true. You can do things with other people. It's just that I prefer to do it by myself. And I was like, maybe joining Chroma could make me gain more followers and stuff, but I'm still related to a structure. I want to have my own structure. That's the thing. Ton edge, tu sais combien en pourcent? Je réponds en anglais. He's asking me my edge, how much percent I size between my swing short and my scalp long. Most of the time I do half of the position. So for example, here, let's say that it's a 230k account and I'm risking 2%. So my position is a 2.3 BTC, okay? Ouais, j'ai aussi mon spot, souvent. So basically here, my position is, let's say 2 BTC. So when I will go edge long, instead of calculating things, I will just either full edge my position and open a 2 BTC long. So I'm flat, but I'm still having both position. Or I open a 1 BTC, so half of the size, okay? Depends. I do half or full. Usually I start with half and go full, or I go half if, for example, sometimes the price is at my stop loss. Instead of closing, I open 100% edge, okay? Because sometimes I prefer to do that rather than taking the loss and then taking the loss later. So on the trade, the risk can go to 2% to like 4%, but on my equity, I'm still losing 2%. What you have to see is your equity curve, not your trade curve. Bro, have you seen what happened to Charlie Kirk? What do you think that did that? I think that it's wokeness and like what's happening in the world is the same in Europe and in USA. But I don't want to talk a lot about that. But yeah, lots of change has to be done here in Europe or in America. Say like for example, in Dubai, something like this would never happen in Dubai. So this is not a problem of racism, because that's not the same culture in Dubai and in the Occident. The problem is that in Dubai, for example, people that will say, yeah, in Dubai, people come from every country, etc. Yes, that's true, and that's wonderful. But the policy and the rules in Dubai, they are very strict and conservative, okay? In their own country. You can't do anything you want in Dubai, or you will go to jail, or they will cut your hands. You can't do anything. While in the USA and in Europe, you can do shit, and you will have a little penalty. You will go to prison 2 years, something. So that's my take. For example, a raper, something that's a rapist, sorry, that will do something horrible in Europe, he will go to jail. In France, 10 years. In Dubai, I think he's dead, okay? So that's not the same thing. They are very conservative, actually. And there is still 80% of the population that comes from other countries. So the problem is not immigration. The problem is the country that has to be respected. And you have to respect the country. That's different problem. And people, they make a mix of everything and they come with bullshit, but they are not focusing on the main problem. So yeah. So that was it for the politic. I don't love to talk a lot about that. Maybe I will talk sometimes in stream, because I think it's important to talk about this. Whatever you are doing, these are important. So yeah. Can you show what indicator you use for TPO and the setting? Yeah, but basically for TPO, it's TPO. You go to, if you are French or whatever, you tap TPO here, and it's time price opportunity. Rapist not to go to jail in France. Yeah, you go to jail in France, but depends, because sometimes the judges will say, but he was sick, So he did this because he was sick, okay? Andre and MZK, I'm not going to enter in this field, guys. Please do not talk about all that. Lots of controversies. The problem is the sidechain, the lows. Yeah, 100%. So yeah, so you go TPO, time price opportunity, you click, you will have it here. And then for the settings, volume profile, I don't show it. You can show volume profile, you will have it here also. But I prefer to not show it. I prefer to only have the TPO. TPO I use weekly, period 1, block time 30 minutes, die for the size automatic. You alone friends. What do you mean? Size, percentage of the value area 70%, okay. And for the colors, I use this blue. If you guys want the same as me, this blue in all, and opacity here, okay, of the outside value area. So yeah, and then pour eyes, pour low, single prints, you can have it also, and that's it. And here it's merged. Actually, I can. Well, I don't know why it's like that, but okay. See here, these are all the weekly TPOs, and you can merge them actually. But what I would like to see, yeah, is retest of this level. Previous week value area high, okay. And we can also put the weekly VWAP. So far we are dumping, nice. New York Open is in 15 minutes. As a Venezuelan, I believe Europe is doomed. I see everything that happened in my country repeating here. Bro, that's an insane take. Because I know what's happening in Venezuela. I've been when I was a child. My aunt actually lived in Venezuela. She's from Peru. And that's pretty bad what happened there. And yeah, I think it's the same thing. Same thing. For TPO, is it better on TradingView or better on Market Monkey? I prefer on Market Monkey actually. I always have it everywhere because I like it and I trade based on TPO. Do you put a big TV to see the comments? Yeah. I have my screen here to see the comments. But here I have a TV. But it's not my home. I'm at an Airbnb. I'm moving. So I just have like a screen in my suitcase and I travel with it. So I can walk everywhere. Doing this for you guys. That's dedication. So we are entering some levels that I'm interested. Okay. So nice. Let's see what we can have. I would like to see also maybe my BTC monitor. Yeah, it's looking pretty nasty, guys. Huh? It's looking pretty nasty. We do have some shorts entering on the footprint, but guys, the order book depth ratio is looking like shit. This could really dump. Hey Diogo, thank you. But thank you for what? Thank you. Let me check something on my phone. Ah, Big Villa, on a la Côte d'Azur. Bientôt, bientôt. How is it to live in Paris, bro? It's not fucked like London. You feel safe. I think it's safer than London. Maybe. Or some part of London. Because some parts of Paris can be dangerous, but it's not that dangerous, actually. But still, you have to be careful sometimes. Like, for me, just thinking that sometimes you have to be careful is not safety. When I'm in Dubai, I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't even take my keys up from my home. I go to the beach, I leave my phone, my wallet. I don't give a fuck because nothing would happen. In France, you have to think about, and this already, just this, for me, it's crazy. We should be living in a world where you don't have fears. How many are you aiming on each trade in your money management? Usually, actually, I will say that one, I'm going pretty big for 3 risk reward ratio. Usually, I do 1 or 2 risk reward ratio, okay, maximum. And this is also why I have a high win rate of 70-85% usually. This should be 78-80% because it doesn't count my break evens. But usually I'm between 75 and 85% win rate. But it's also because I do 1 to 2 risk reward ratio trades. Okay, this one is a bit big. Usually I will close it here for 1 risk reward ratio, but I will make 2%. And making 2% of those trades with 75% win rate, I know that if I take 10 trades, I will make good money actually. We can go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. I was asking to buy some things. Risk management journey, okay? And we can see here. That was for the, oh shit. That was for the video. I don't know if I have it here. Component growth calculation. Okay, see here. 1 risk reward ratio with 2% risk per trade. If I have a 70% win rate on 10 trades, I make 6%. Okay. On 25 trades, I make 16% with 1 risk reward ratio trade and 2% risk per trade. That's huge. So if you know that your strategy make 70% win rate, even if I make 60% win rate, 5% on 10 on 10 trades, and if I go to 80, 28. So that's huge. Let's do it with 1% risk per trade and 1.5 risk reward ratio. 70% win rate strategy. In 10 trades, I make 5%. In 25 trades, I made 14%. So you see, you don't need to eat 5 risk reward ratio trade to make profit. Actually, you just need to understand that these are mathematics. This is maths. It's not bullshit. So I hope you guys understand the power of this. Do you filter a trade if it doesn't match your risk reward? What do you mean filter? Like I don't take it? What's the order book depression and how do you find it below? It's on Market Monkey. You have it here. Where is it? Order book depth ratio. And basically that's this gives you the absorption of spot from sellers or buyers. And for example here, sellers are absorbing the price when it's red. This means that sellers, they have control and there are more sells than buys on the market, on the spot. Okay, so here, look at this. Price is holding, order book ratio is red. This looks like distribution to me, kinda. This kinda look like distribution. So yeah, I'm not saying this can be a top, but for me, if we are not able to hold the weekly VWAP, this can turn nasty. This can turn nasty and we can dump, guys. At least to 107Ks. Why not 105Ks, okay? And also something you really want to look at is the daily candle, okay? Market cipher, stochastic errors are starting to be at highs and starting to doom. We are above the 50 EMA and 21, but we are just trying to reclaim it. Can be a deviation. Can be like this, okay? If we do hold here, then okay, bullish, we can take that high. But as long as we stay here, it could be a deviation, okay? So yeah, for me, it's better to be careful. Could be like here, okay? Or could be like this one. See, we pumped a little bit, then you have a bunch of examples. Here you have some examples also, okay? Some closing above and then we dump. Could be in a downtrend. So let's see now. New York Open in 8 minutes. What kind of info tape gives? What do you mean tape? With how much money you started trading? With 1K. I am full port long crime in Europe. Yeah, actually, if we could have like a credit swap contracts or something like that on this, will be insane. Maybe on Polymarket, actually, we can trade on that. I think. What do you think of the opening range? What do you mean? The daily open level. So the setting of cipher and the show me the setting of cipher. Yeah. The indicator below cipher is private, brother. You can have it. But the cipher, you have it here. You can take a screenshot if you want. Take a quick screenshot. Here. 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 And here. Whoa, and here again. And then these are the settings. Up, up. So yeah, these are the settings. What do you? I agree. I'm currently in Dubai, and sometimes I'm like automatically chilling my pocket because I'm used to it from Europe. But then I realize I'm in Dubai, and we don't need to. Yeah, exactly. That's true. But once you start to be like since 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months in Dubai, you don't do it. Diego, I saw that you kind of understand a bit about digital marketing. Like I saw you are using VSL in your landing page. So if you're thinking about starting to sell your infos, but with ads, I already have a team doing this, brother. Thanks, Andrew. Thanks a lot. You can DM me if you want, but I have a team. New York opening range. Ah, okay. Yeah. Well, the New York opening range, not really, but I love to trade New York open. Because this is where we can do something. For example, what I would like to see on New York Open, we have this week right here, and we have this week right here, okay? What I would like to see, maybe chase off this level and go higher, or chase off this level and go lower. You want to fade New York Open. That's a good strategy. What would you do right now with your current knowledge? And you had to start again with $1K. Honestly, if I only had 1K and I have my knowledge, so I don't need to invest in like more educational content or knowing how to trade, I think with the 1K I would take $500 to go with a prop firm, okay, 100K prop firm, and I will use the $500 to trade with 5 to 10% risk, aggressive, okay. Try to make it up, then also pass the prop firm and do this until I am at 10-15K. And once I'm at 10-15K, I trade with 1-2% risk, and I just grow it on the long term. And I work on the side. I try to make money online doing some, I don't know, whatever I can do. If I can share, like I do right now, if I can share content and monetize my knowledge and help people also, I can do it again. Or if I can work somewhere else and make money and save it in order to put it in trading, and the goal is just to grow your capital and to be able to trade with it. It's, for me, it's like your investment account. People that have an investment account, it's because they don't know how to trade, okay? Investment account is for it's the basic thing. You have money, you put it on your investment account, you invest, and whenever you will have more money, you put it inside and the money grows. But you can also do it manually and even better by yourself by trading. And it's the same thing. You have your starting capital, you trade with it, it grows, and you add money from the side. That's the same thing. So yeah, that would be my advice, I think. Thanks for the setting, but why I can have the other indicator? Because it's private, brother. I already told you it's private, sorry. It's only for my students. and for people in the VIP Discord. By the way, guys, if you're interested in joining the Discord, not the VIP but the free Discord, and also have access to all my trades, the content, my updates, and also the free trading course, check in the comments, in the description. There is a link for joining the Discord, so just check it and you guys can join. You're welcome, 7 Kobe. Yo Damien, use a lot TPO. Are you using volume profile too? Not really. I only use TPO actually. Well, I do have volume profile here on my monitor because sometimes you can have a difference. Basically here, if we zoom in, we can see that the white line is the TPO point of control. So this is the level where the price spent the most time. But we have the volume point of control that is higher. So basically what this means, the price spent more time at 112k in August, but at 115k, this is where there was the most volume in August. This means that the fair price candle of BTC and the good level is here, okay? And so if we were acceptance above that level, that's bullish. But right now, for me, that's kind of a magnet. This is why I kind of think we still can have a week to 115Ks. Because this is the level I want to see taken. Okay, New York Open. Let's see. For me, 2 levels interested. Reclaim daily VWAP, go higher. Or retest weekly VWAP, okay? 2 levels interesting. So let's see. Let me share also on X. See, New York Open in stream. And let's have a winning trade. Sorry, let me share it a bit everywhere. Oh, we are already 61. Thanks, guys. Usually we are not that much. It's starting to grow. So let's see what we have here. We're testing daily VWAP currently. Yeah, spot. Let's zoom in this shit, but yeah, we have divergences, but spot is really slow compared to this. Okay. Thanks for the new subscribers, guys. By the way, thanks a lot. This really helps me. How do you have 26k on Twitter? It's been 3 years, 4 years that I started posting on X. So I had time to gain a few followers now. With 1k, the centralized exchange takes too many fees, no? Yes, the fees are proportional to the size of the position. It's a percentage of your position. If you trade with 1 million, you will pay way more fees than someone with 1k. But in percentage, you will pay the same fees. But actually no, because someone with 1 million, he will have the VIP rank, so he will pay less percentage. But if you guys use my link in the comment, the bluffing link, no KYC required, you have a reduction on your fees, and you can also have like a deposit bonus, okay? So just check it out. You can also join the copy trading. That's the pump song. Joking. Well, let's see. Let's see. Maybe Sol can get another new entry. Actually, I don't know. Maybe we get one more sweep to 115Ks. But let's see. The most important reaction, guys, actually is here. Like, if we do nuke through that level like here, pretty bad. But maybe we can have like a flip here. But I don't know. I don't see how we don't take this week and we don't retest Monday high and weekly low. I don't see how. Honestly. And if we do have extended push here, that's just bearish to me. Do you have a referral code for MMT? Guys, if you guys want to take the MMT subscription, wait a little bit, maybe tonight or tomorrow maximum. I will have MMT code, okay? So you guys can have a 20% or 25% discount. Because in my mentorship and in my VIP, I really recommend you guys to use it. And I can't pay for you guys, so I can have a discount. So that's cool. Why do your coinalize indicator looks different than mine? Hey Claudio, yes, because on coinalize I have different settings. For example, the aggregated open interest delta profile. Also, there's something important when you choose your indicators. For example, CBD, you can see here that you have either coin margin contract, stable coin margin contract. Okay, you need to use stable coin margin contract, stable coin margin contract, stable coin margin contract. Always stable coin margin contract and not coin margin contract, okay, because that's where the most volume is. Then I have different settings. For example, here on the delta profile, the style, I only use those colors and I use rolls 100 and I show the net, okay, net, and I only show Binance, Bybit and OKX and Hyperliquid values. I don't look at the other values. I only look at those, okay? What do you think about .USDT? Honestly, not a lot, not much. Let's see on the daily how it's looking. .USDT on... This looks like shit, guys. Still 100, 200 EMA. Trying to break out. Well, some people will make a wedge here. Like this. But yeah, honestly, guys, could do this, like, honestly, those coins that are that low, compressing under the weekly trend with weakness, actually, you're not edge. Yeah, exactly, I'm not edge long, I'm not short right now. Like, we are still under my entry. I'm still, and even like if this goes here, I don't care. This could go back. I have a white stop. This is a swing. So, do you have bids at Monday high? No, I don't have any bids right now. I don't have any limit orders. I'm just waiting, and I will see the reaction manually. They are trying to break the daily VWAP. Let's see. Order book depth ratio still very negative, actually. If we do pump, I would like to see a lot of longs entering and being trapped. So let's see if they can break it. sorry. How do you read order book depth ratio? Basically, that's the ratio between spot and spot ask and bids. So basically here, the ratio is negative. So this means that sellers are in control, like they make more volume. So there is more selling pressure than buying pressure, okay? So basically, when we are pumping or in deep and you want to see the price bouncing or going higher, you want to see the order book depth ratio positive. And if you want to look for a short or take profit on your longs, you want to see the order book depth ratio in red, okay? For me, this kind of looks like distribution. Usually, when the order book ratio becomes red, the local top is very close and we reject. Here we are kind of holding. So for me, we are either distributing, and perps are holding the price. That's my take currently. We can also see here on the dashboard that we had a lot of imbalances, but we might have a little bit more scam higher actually. So and we can see here lots of longs entered here. Bitcoin to 120k. Well, I doubt about it. What's your analysis? Baby, but for me the maximum is like here, 117, 118. I don't see us going 120. I think the all-time high here is the top for a few months. I don't think we take this, okay? That was so scammy. There's no way we take this all-time high in the next weeks. I don't think so. So maximum, yeah, we can have some shit like this, but that will be juicy because if we have this level, guys, the swing short will be insane. Like that's a free swing. That's at least a free, like 3 risk reward trade. Free 3 risk reward trade, and I will go maybe 4-5% risk for a 10-15% profit. That will be insane. That will be great. That will make my months, I think. So yeah, only one trade taken. I make my months onto the next. That will be great. So let's see. Let's see if they hold it. Now also important level, previous day point of control and daily point of control. They need to hold above this level, okay? If not here, but for me, I'm interested in a sweep here or a sweep here. In between, I don't give a fuck. I'm just in my swing, okay? So that's it. So let's see if we can have something. You're welcome, Arslan. By the way, guys, I have a great news. I talk with 2bit team, and we will be able to do 1k USD in giveaways per month on the streams. Okay, so I will be able to give away 1k per month to you guys during the stream. So that will be money that you will directly have on your 2bit account. So we will start maybe this from the next stream. So it will be tomorrow, probably. Oh no, I'm not sure tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll try to stream. And so yeah, so starting from tomorrow or Monday. So maybe like 250 USD per week. So that's 1k a month. And like every stream we give away $50 to everyone. What's the explanation behind the all-time high price being scammy? Because there was no spot volume, okay? There was no spot volume and a lot of sales. Like here, the order book ratio was dead as fuck. Mostly driven by perps. We took liquidation. We went down. That was during Asia, if I remember correctly. And a lot of altcoins, same, they scammed up. So for me, that all-time was very scammy. We are rejecting daily VWAP so far for now. Oh my god, what Axolo? Regarding the giveaway, what do you guys think is the best? Like 1K per month to like the best, the people that are the most in the streams. I don't know, like in terms of chat, in terms of views. How do we do that? Or maybe every stream, $50 to $100 a giveaway, and the draw is between the 3 or 5 people that commented the most. How do you think market reacts on the day Fed cuts interest rates? How has it reacted in the past? Usually these days are pivots, and usually there are negative periods when it's such a good news. So that's why I don't know. For me, it's a bit scammy because the market looks very weak right now, and also I feel like S&P is going to have a correction. Tu connais Kimba? Non. Non, ZRC, c'est qui Kimba? I see it did happen during August. Yeah, exactly. There's also lower volume in August. For what I just said, technology, I think the market is a bit heavy right now on higher time frame. Let's see, they're trying to flip the daily VWAP. They are fighting for it right now. Quite boring New York session again. Yesterday and today were boring, guys. Huh? We didn't have anything to trade with, actually. Like, I mean, BTC stayed in a 1% range. That is so boring. But I reckon we are going to get an extensive move. Either breaking up here to 115Ks or down. Red cut will be priced. Well, it's actually pricing, guys. Huh? You just have to go to fucking Polymarkets. See here, Fed decision. I mean, 80% 25 BPS and 13% this. Okay, and then no change. The odds are very low. Okay, and to increase even lower. So like it's pricing, guys. I mean, there's 99% chance. Are you still short? Yes, I am still short. Let's go back here. What's the indicator called USD perp imbalance? The name is the Wenger, but it's a private indicator. You can find it on TradingView, guys. You can't find it. It's private, sorry. streamer crypto américain, si le trading me rappelle un peu à lui, tu regardes vraiment beaucoup de data en train de trade. Ouais. Ça fait plaisir de voir ça chez un FR. Bah cool. Do you think we close September green? Then close October red? I don't know, brother. I don't know. Because like there is the FOMC coming and then we have like 2 weeks. Your thoughts on grass? I was bullish on grass a few months ago actually, and I never checked the price. Let's see how it's looking. Was it a good idea to not hold any? Well, actually, yeah. I was like pretty bullish here. Yeah, like here. Wow, could have made a 2x, but we're down. And looks like shit, huh? No volume, no price, no good price action, overbought. I wouldn't touch that. So yeah. Can you suggest entries on HiFi coin, please? So, sorry, Mahmed, I don't trade those. I will see, but HiFi coin, this one. Wow, bro, just don't touch this coin. Like, come on, just don't trade this and trade Bitcoin. Like, you are just asking the market to kick you in the ass. I mean, like, come on. How would you try to grow a 1500 balance account to 10k? You're asking me how to do a 20x? Brother, that will take time. That will take time if you use classic risk management. So start with prop firms if you have very low capital. But yeah. Tu peux analyser Dogecoin. Yes, Liva. Doge actually on the daily for me is pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. I think we take this yes or yes. Now on a lower time frame, I believe we are above the trend. Yeah. So far holding the trend. As long as we hold, we can push higher. Okay. I wouldn't enter now. Maybe we take this. Like, could be something like this. And then you want to enter here with invalidation. Here the problem is that here you have this low, this low, this low, this low, this low, this low, this low. Not taken. So we could take this and go back higher. It's kind of no trade zone here. For a short, I will wait, and for a long, you can enter long here. Les market makers achètent 5 millions, j'ai l'outil aussi. Tu l'as comment l'outil? T'as un vote de KY? Is Solana shortable here? Yeah. I think so. A bit higher maybe. Maybe a bit higher. What do you think about AVEX USDT? Oh, S&P cross. So they are pumping. Nice. New all-time high on S&P basically. AVEX important level here, feeling imbalance. For me, this could retest the trend again. But if we do flip this level, which is very important, this, then just ride the trend up to this, this, and this. Je t'ai payé il y a un mois sur Discord. Ah oui, putain, c'est vrai. Attends, mais les market makers achètent 5 millions de quoi? De Dodge? Sur Bitstamp? Ah, sur BTC. Ah, vous l'avez acheté à 2. Ah oui, ok. Il y a 2 million actually. $2 million. Let's see, do we have Dodge here? 5 million Dodge. Oh, maybe they are set for a scam. It's weird, actually. Can you take a look at Argo? Well, I don't have it here. Well, let's go back to BTC. Yes. Sorry. What did you learn to trade from? Just experience, YouTube videos and trading myself. Ah oui, il y a l'ETF aujourd'hui aussi. Ah ouais, c'est peut-être ça aussi. Axelar, I don't know it, Mouse. Let me check Argo first. Argo compressing. Yeah, I'm not a buyer here. Axelar USDT. What is that shit? Yo. Axelar. This? I don't know what is this, brother. But yeah. Wouldn't trade that. Okay, we are having a little pump. Oh, by the way, S&P is increasing. That's nice because maybe I will be able to enter short on the copy trading on BTC. Let's see. So we are first having this bounce up. Yo, Kevin, did you say, yeah, Market Safari, you can have it for free. Oh, no, why is it not working? Shit. Market Monkey, don't let me down now. I need it. Well, it's a lot of longs entering. This is a lot of longs entering, actually. Hey, no choke, how are you? Hey, Kevin. Why BTC pump when bad news? That's not a bad news, actually. And it was expected, like that was the consensus. So now let's see how we react here. Very interesting. Up. I don't know why. I was checking, but I don't know why Market Monkey is not working. Bro. It's weird. I need it now. Like, come on. Maybe I need to... Ah bah, supprimer des annulations, supprimer tout. Shit, okay. Maybe now, Market Monkey, work. Fuck. You guys also can't open Market Monkey. You guys can open it? Yo Kevin. Après Liva, je suis en train de stream là, désolé. Oh. Any idea why it's not working on mine? It's weird. Maybe I just go to .com first. Okay. Fuck. I want to see my templates. Thanks, Kevin. Yo, Vichin, I just became a crypto analyst in a crypto group. What are the key things I should keep in mind as an analyst? The things you learn only after becoming one yourself. Keep the eyes on all the data. Do not stick to one bias. Be able to change also whenever you can. And now it works. Yeah, works. Okay. Weird. Maybe that was it, by the way, guys. Huh? Maybe that was it. Let's see now. If we do lose that level, it's gonna be ugly. Let's see. Ah, fuck. Or maybe I have to be quick. Ah, I can't. For me, working. Okay. Maybe reload. Fuck. Don't know why it's not working. I will try to open it somewhere else. Market Monkey. Maybe there's an app now, no? Maybe there's an app. Okay, I'm logging in on. Oh shit! I need a new. Fuck. Oh, sorry. Let me put you guys this, so you guys have a chart. Okay. Even on fucking Safari, it's not working. Why? It's annoying. Like I stopped paying other softwares in order to cancel the cache. Yeah, I did it already. Incognito browser. Ah, yeah, but I need to connect to Safari. Let's see. I need to connect to my Google account. Market Monkey terminal. Start using for free. Yeah, see, I need to connect. Okay, let me connect here. Phone. Lots of 2FA. Okay, open terminal. It's not working. Fuck that. Well, no Market Monkey terminal for me today. I will see with Ants later what's the issue. Even on Safari, on Mozilla, and on Google not working. So now let's see how it goes. I actually did shorted on the copy trading. Maybe I got the top. That'll be insane actually if I got the top here. That will be a nice win. So let's see. Looks like shit to me, huh? But same, again, like, we really need to see that. So basically, could be this, okay. Basically, so let's see. Could be this, but we really need to lose this and lose the box. But the first level will be Monday high here, actually. So yeah. Let's see what you guys think about it. Working, try to clear history of last hour. What is the big difference between upgraded CBD futures and upgraded CBD futures? The same, bro. Coin margin contract. Coin margin contract is you have the data from, for example, BTUSD, where you trade with BTC, okay, as a collateral. But the stablecoin margin contract, it's based on BTUSDT when you trade with USDT, and most people trade with USDT, so there is more volume and data in those. Do you use ExoChart? Yeah, I was using ExoChart in the past. Actually, I might come back to it a little bit, but Market Monkey is giving me what I need, basically. But yeah. Oh, actually, I might be able to connect to Trading Light. I still have the license, as I paid for yearly again. Fuck me. Okay, nice. Nice. Trading Light. I have the code here. There we go. Okay, cool. I have Trading Light. Well, sorry, Ants, but gotta go on another software for now. Okay, defaults. We have ExoChart here. Binance, favorites, BTUSDT. Okay. Why is it horrible like that? Okay, more interesting like this. Let's see, VPVR, we have the order book here. Order book settings, grouping by 300 is good. Okay. I don't like that one. Can I have BTC, USDM, BTC? Okay, that one. Okay, much better. Go away. Okay, this one is better. Nice. Okay, now let's put maybe indicators. We want the official indicators. We want the TPO. Okay, was it added? Please. Was added. No layers. Shit. Okay, there's the TPO. There we go. Okay. So basically, important level today. It's weekly or it's... Is it weekly or daily? Settings. TPO. No, I don't want to see this. Value, yeah. Session, UTC, enable. Fingerprints, enable. Up. Color POC in red. Naked extension. There we go. Okay, so what we want to see here, basically, this to all, okay? These two POCs to all. If we don't hold that, and also the PVR cluster, MMT is working again for you. Okay, let's try. Let's try. No, not working. Eye training a lot. Fuck. Eye training as fuck. I was supposed to go tennis. Well, I guess we're going to. I'm trying to see if it works on my phone, but yeah, not even working on my phone. Well, they are trying to hold it. Let's see. Can I draw a box here? Yeah, cool. $BTC. As a bull, you really want this box to open. Simple. I will also update on the Discord. Fuck, I was disconnected. I was disconnected of everything. Shit. This look like Ellie's shots. That's an insult to me. And this guy doesn't even understand. I love how it's crazy how, I don't know guys, you guys will tell me, how can I get so much he's aiding while I like literally have a public tracker. I'm making a public copy trading. I'm making updates of my trades every days. I mean, I make 9 to 10 minutes videos of my trades when I take it, and I explain why I take the trades. Win or loss, and usually we make more wins than losses. So like, I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. But thankfully, there are a lot of people like you guys that are supporting me. That's why I keep doing this. So thank you. There is, okay, there are two apps, MMT and Market Monkey. It's weird. I have someone from the team that's, yo Cap, I send you the code, okay? This, okay. And I'm using mmt.gg/app/terminal and marketmonkeyterminal.com app terminal. Those two, these are not working. Don't know why. It's weird. First time it happened, so. Let's get it. I'm happy because we might have caught the top. MTGG open. Yeah, still not working. The link you sent me, brother, in Discord. Why don't you grow a beard? Because I just don't have it. I'm still too young. Well, I'm 21, but it's coming later, guys. You can see here. I have nothing. I shave it because it's weird if you have like little hairs, but toes now pumping, but TPAs. But yeah, for me, same shit. I'm still short, guys. Nothing changed. Like we pumped a little bit, but like I have my plan. I have my stop loss. I take my stop loss or my take profit. I don't give a fuck. And very important now is to hold or lose that level, this exact level. Let's see how we do. I still think we take those weeks, okay? So let's see. Okay, thank you, Cap. Thank you, Cap. Well, let's see if we do all here. Bids are back. I would love to see a breakdown, honestly. Well, I'm BS because I'm short, but where's the delta actually? Oh, it's here. Okay. It's been time I didn't use trading lights. I was using MMT, but MMT is still better than trading light. It's just that I have this issue right now. But yeah, let's see. You guys know any platform where we can trade FX? Or like, let's break it down, guys. Yeah, trading light is working again now. Yeah, accepting that is freedom. I agree, Andre. Hey, Frey, they hating on us because you know the perma bull will sell dreams. Yeah, that's true. Also, because when I'm long, I don't get that much hate. But when I take a short, bro, still don't trust them after the outage. Yeah, bro, and like I was paying in the void. Sorry, joined late. Hey, Badville, all good. Shorts. I'm short, brother. I'm currently short. So that's the swing shorts, but I also took a scalp shorts on the copy trading. So in order to be fully transparent with you guys again, you guys can see here I shorted on the copy trading. Okay, so basically here my stops are entry. So that was the original trade, okay, and my targets basically is around here, Monday low. That's the current trade on BTC I have, okay. So yeah, here stops basically break even, and my TP will be here around like 110k. Like could be, this could be actually, well, I prefer here actually. This could be a 15k win on the copy trading account. That would be insane. Does MMT do exo charts? It's kind of similar. So basically that's the trade, guys. Let me share it on X again. Shorted BTC during the stream on copy trading. Beside swing short from yesterday. Stops are risk free now. Join us for the full analysis. Up. Where is the link? Ah, the link is here. Shit. Up. I hope you guys enjoy this stream, by the way. Huh? I hope you guys enjoy it. What's the target for this short? Actually, same thing. I would like to see reaction. If we lose that level, I'm going break even, because if we do bounce from here, this is pretty bullish, and I think we go higher. Okay. But if we lose that, my first target will be Monday high and weekly view up, where I would love to see a reaction. Maybe I close half of the short, or I just edge long. But my full target will be Monday low and these poor lows here. So let's see. Let's see what we can get. I put this back here, and we go back on the charts. Yeah, bro, learning a lot from your streams. Please keep them doing them. Thanks, Scotty. That's why I do them, actually. So I'm very happy that you guys are learning from the streams. Trying to bounce here. Welcome, guys, to the stream, the new ones. Let's see if Market Monkey walks again. Yeah. Thank you, bro. It's working again. So now maybe I can open multiple. Yeah, that's even better. I can open them all. Let's open Ethereum. Let's open BTC, and let's open my. It's not okay. Well, TPO weekly. Okay, so there was a bug on that one. Okay, well, thanks, brother, for the. I will update him. Thanks, bro. Working. So now let me do this again. Okay, so you know what? I will just create a new layout, TPO template. Say, okay, create charts. So you guys can see how I do it. Okay. Put it in the middle. I remove the heat map. I remove the VPVR. I remove the volume. Okay, I don't want them. Then regarding the chart, this simple, I want white and gray. Okay, done. Then indicators, TPO, I want TPO up, profile color good. This I don't care. Point of control in red, more red like that, gray color like that, naked extension. Single prints, I want them in blue, yeah, purple like that, cool. Naked extension, and high polar good, naked extension. Volume profile, I don't want it. And where is it? Value area, I want it in white. Cool. There we go. And then I want it 1 hour. Weekly, and there we go. There we go, folks. So we have it here. Basically, this is a level where we have kind of resistance, actually. And if we merge the last TPOs, well, actually, we could even do that. Reset charts, merge those two. So basically, that's how I'm playing it, okay? I think that this is resistance. Above this, it's clear path to this, okay? But as long as we stay under that, we can target these levels, okay? So previous weekly value area high here, and maybe that's my target for the short, for the scalp shorts. That will be this, this POC, previous 2 weeks POC, and the value area. So this level basically 111 to 110, that level, and under this polo. So that's cool. Regarding what we have here, order book depth ratio is still red. You guys can see here the longs were increasing while the shorts were decreasing. We have still the price under August point of control in the volume profile. We are trying to break under the daily view up while still between the two, but still above it. And we have asked above the price, okay, and bids under the price. So it's compressing. We are going to have an extended move. I think the first target could be 115k, or the weekly view up at 112k 800, 112k 800 or 113k. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Today's price session was a bit crazy. So let's see. Regarding Ethereum, what did Ethereum do? Oh shit, that was a nice one, bro. We retested this point of control, faded poor high. That's a nice short, okay. Oh damn, actually that was a good one. I didn't saw it, shit. Oh, and I had the alarm at that level also, bro. That was a free short like this. That was literally, damn. Oh no, man. I'm so pissed off. I didn't saw it. That was during CPI basically. Shit. That was easy. But for me, Ethereum, as long as we hold the trend, maybe we can push. But this should be the high, actually. If that's very bearish and we correct, this is the high. So I wouldn't enter short. Maybe you can enter short here again. That's still a 3 school of trade, but that was a good one. Fuck, I missed it. And Solana still nothing. Well, I will wait. And regarding Bitcoin, well, it's starting to bounce here. It wants to hold previous day point of control and daily point of control here. They are fighting for it. There is also confluence with the daily view up right here that we are retesting. But we can see order book depth ratio still red. Longs increasing, shorts not increasing. Spot is selling. Makes sense with the order book depth ratio that is red. So yeah. I even asked you about Ethereum. Yeah, sorry, you asked, sorry. I had to check it. Yeah, the week was pretty fast, but that's why you have you have alarms. I had an alarm, but I didn't saw it. I will check on my phone. Oh, actually, I only have the shit. I only have the S&P one. Well, weird. So use TPO weekly for swings and TP. Exactly, you got it right. Yeah. Retest of Monday. Of what Monday? Dieguito, what's your BTC bear market bottom target if you needed to guess? Good question. Basically, simple. I use the golden ratio Fibonacci indicator. Oh, also important level. We are still above this, but I think we retest those levels actually. But my bottom for me will be in the golden area. So from 70Ks to like 40Ks, okay? We ain't going lower than this. So basically, yeah. That's why, that's like a 44% range. But usually we go to the mid, like, let me find BTC from Bitstamp, yep. You can see, usually when we bottom, we go at least to the, like, the third band, okay? See, third, and here same, okay? So usually we retest those, and I think that could be the cycle. So around here, like 40Ks, 50Ks. See you. I go university. Bye bye, Axolo. Take care. See you in the next stream. Retest of Monday low will be funny to see CT. Yeah, but actually they are holding pretty well right now. Huh? So they are holding. Let's see how it goes. I have stops break-even on the copy trading, so let's see. They don't want us to win. 55, 45K in my opinion. Yeah, something like that could be nice. Well, let's see. Yeah, bro, that was crazy. Look good. Open interest, retest done. Passive buyers absorbing sell pressure. We can send it. Well, actually, could be great if they can send it. They're still pushing it. Actually, maybe we get a retest of that PLC. Let's see. See how they are trying to hold it. The best thing will be to close like this. Like a hanging 1 hour candle. That would be great. I still think this is overextended, guys. Honestly. Well, guys, if you don't have any question, I will have to go. It's been already 1 hour 50, 2 hour stream. I'm going to play tennis, even if it's training. Is it right to think that with volume profile and 15-minute time frame, the volume seems to draw distribution zone actually? Right now, on the 15-minute time frame, well, if we look at the volume profile here, yeah, we have a lot of volume here, but let's see also here. Oh, Nasdaq, it's intraday highs also. Stocks are pushing. That's why crypto is holding here, but whenever stocks will reverse, that's another story. We have a big volume node here, big spike here. Maybe we are like feeling this imbalance right here. Let's see, but this level was holding for now, is holding for now, so let's see. You see how POCs are great. Like, I mean, that's very nice. We play sports here, football, well, soccer for Americans, and tennis, and paddle. I love racket sports. So guys, if you don't have any more question, it's my time to go. I hope it was great. Oh, we gained 40 followers. I'm actually at 789 followers. Only 11 followers to be at 800. So I'm sure that 11 people here are not subscribed. So just follow the channel, please. It will be great for me. See you guys. We've been around 70 during the stream, so that was very nice. See you tomorrow for another stream. I will not stream New York Open, I think, for like 30 minutes. You're Peruvian. My mother is from Peru. Yeah. Salut Kevin. And see you guys. See you tomorrow for the next stream. Bye bye. And remember the positions. We have this that is break-even, and we have this that is just the swing. We are ready to hold it. Maybe if this goes a bit higher. So my invalidation on the short is 116k 900 basically. This is where I will be out. So yeah. See you guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.